Welcome to the video. My name's Adam and welcome to part 2 of our 5-part series of our adventure on the canal. How many times will we crash? Who else will crash? Let's find out. So having spent the night in Llangollen, thought we'd have a walk, have an explore. The town is beautiful. This isn't the canal, this is the river that runs to the side of it. So we make the walk along the canal. This part of it, canal boats can't go up. But at the end, you reach the pump house, which feeds the water from the lake into the canal. So this pump house is located near a body of water called Horseshoe Falls, because as you can see, it's shaped like a horseshoe. Now what I wasn't expecting was all the kayakers going up to the fall and going over it. Something we didn't try, but I wouldn't mind trying that next time. And there he goes. Obviously quite high-lipped. Getting stuck on the edge there. Will they get over? And off they go. There we go. It was good fun to watch. And like ducklings, they all decide to follow. So after watching for a little while, we decide to make our long walk back. Past a cow, by a cow, and back along the towpath, and back towards our canal boat. When I walk back, we see the horse who is pulling the tourists in their non-mechanical boat. This looked like great fun. Get an idea of what it used to be like, and this was ingenious. The horse gets to where it needs to turn around, rather than turning the whole canal around, just take the rudder towards the back, the horse connects onto the other side and pulls them back. And then it was time for us to get going. So I untie us and off we go. So as I'm facing the wrong way, I have to carry on going forwards towards where the wider body of water is, so I can turn the boat around. So we head off, past where the cafe is on the left, past where the tourists will be boarding on the canal pulled by the horse. So here's the cafe on the left as we go past. And then to the turning area, and off we go. So we make our way back along the canal and back in the direction we came from towards Chirk. So we head back towards Pontcysyllte Aqueduct, where last time I had to do that dreaded 90-degree left turn. This time it's slightly easier because I don't have to get to the narrow gap, but I have to do a 90 degrees right turn. So I'm expecting it to be a little bit easier this time, but little do I know what lies ahead. So we enjoy our peaceful journey, no traffic, just passing the occasional boat here and there, but this really was very calm, very relaxing. By this point I'm starting to think I'm a bit of an expert. Pass boats without crashing, I'm having a great time. Could you imagine life like this? Living on a canal boat? Such a great way of life. It helps that it was lovely and sunny. 25 degrees. Beautiful days. There are people that live full time on the canal. We will find them as we go through. Some of canal boats set up as shops. Some people just live full time in their canal boats and move around as they please. But the majority of the people on the canal were holidaymakers such as ourselves. Now this is the bridge that we went through before. We had to do the 90-degree turn off the aqueduct. So this way I'm going for it the other way. So here's me going through it, hoping it's going to be nice and clear and I can turn right and get across the aqueduct. But it's not going to be that easy, is it? So as we go through, I see there's a boat waiting there. And that's when I see there are people coming through the aqueduct from the other side in our direction. So where am I supposed to go? I'm stuck in the tunnel. So I'm going to have to try and get myself turned round and then reversed. Pulled up to the side somehow. So try not to run over any of these people in canoes. I managed to get myself turned round. Reverse us back and gets pulled alongside, and then the canal boat that was behind us is coming through as well. Where are they going to go? Well, I'm not moving, I'm staying here. We're nice and safe here. But the other canal boat, they're getting through, they're going to have to somehow turn themselves around, but they're not turning. They're heading straight for the canal boat in front. Are they going to stop? Are we going to see a crash? I'm not sure if this is skill or if this is luck, but they've managed to just stop within an arm reach of the boat in front. So we're all parked up alongside and we wait for all the people coming across the aqueduct to get themselves through that 90-degree turn and under the bridge. And once it's all clear, we can all go. There's Joe holding a still by the side, waiting for our moment to go. And we seize our opportunity and off we go. Back across the aqueduct. We went across the aqueduct in the other direction in the last video. So we make our way back across and we decide when we get to the other side we're going to stop, pull over and we're going to have a walk. So we make our way onto the aqueduct and once again we enjoy the views. So the towpath is to our left and to our right there's a sheer drop straight down. Not for the faint-hearted. If you're scared of heights, but it is a brilliant view. We don't go fast at all. Very easy for the children or anyone just to hop off, walk alongside. In fact, walking much faster than the boat. Come back! So the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct was opened in 1805. Quite a marvellous feat of engineering. And then we get to the other side of the aqueduct and we look for somewhere to pitch up. More up? Park? I'm not sure what you're saying for a boat. We look for somewhere to stop. Once we have stopped, we then decide to take the same journey again. This time on foot. The towpath isn't very wide. You can pass each other in opposite directions. But here you get a good sense of how little there is between the canal boat and the edge. People do cross this in canoes and on paddleboards. Obviously on paddleboards I think they're kneeling down. I wouldn't be standing up to go across this. Here's a river below the aqueduct. Now it's quite a bit later on in the day now, so no one else seems to be going through. Much easier than when we went. So we walk under, have a look at the views from underneath the aqueduct. So we make our way back to the boat, and here ends our second day on the canal. Please join us next week. We'll continue our adventure. We go through a tunnel. We go into England. We try our very first lock. Will we crash? Will we tip the boat over? Please tune in next time. Please like and subscribe.